Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a cheap way to transfer your crypto from Binance to crypto.com app. As you can see here, I have some coins and I want to send all of them on my crypto.com account. The cheapest way to do this is to exchange all these coins for XLM, which is Stellar, and send Stellar to my crypto.com wallet. So as you can see, if I enter my address and if I want to withdraw $40 of XLM, the fee is only 0.02 XLM, which is equal to less than 1 cent. Okay, so now I'm going to trade all my coins to XLM by clicking on trade here. Okay, so I just did it. As you can see, I have a lot of Stellar coins now. I can click now on withdraw. Now you go on your crypto app. I will leave you the link in the description with discount, and you will have some free CRO if you are not yet on crypto.com. So you click on the bottom button on the middle, then you click on crypto wallet, then you click on transfer, you click on deposit, you search for XLM, which is Stellar, you click on it. Then you have to select Stellar Humans here, you click on OK, you copy the address and also the memo, you paste the address and confirm, and you don't forget to paste the memo. Then I always advise you to do a withdrawal test, so I'm going to send only 100 XLM, and as you can see I have 0.02 XLM fees, which is less than $1, and I click on withdraw. I click on continue. Okay, so now it's my first transaction in XLM, so it needs an approval and I have to wait. It can take 12 hours, so I'm going to click on complete and wait. Okay guys, so I was able to make 2 other transactions that had the same fee of less than 1 cent. As you can see, the first transaction took a little while and a few hours to arrive, while the other 2 transactions arrived within 5 minutes, and my biggest transaction took like 2 minutes to arrive, so it's very fast. So once you have XLM on your crypto wallet, you can exchange them for example, CRO. If you want to exchange your XLM coins for Bitcoin, you can do this by clicking on Bitcoin. I'm going to click on Kronos, which is the coin of crypto.com, and I'm going to click on sell, confirm. Okay, that's done. If I go back to my main account, as you can see, I have more than 2000 CRO, and if I go to card, now I can get the Ruby card to get 2% cashback on all my purchases. It's very interesting, so I will leave you my crypto.com referral link in the description. It will give you $25 of CRO when you take the Ruby card, so I will leave you the link in the description, and you can also enter the referral code during the register. I think it will also work. So if you have any question, feel free to comment, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. See you later for another video. Bye.